Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to request money to be sent to you on Cash App. So first thing you're going to need to do is open the application and then just log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will see this on your homepage, and then you just have to type in the amount of the money that you want to request to your friend or family, or to whoever that you want to send the request money. Once you're done typing the amount of money, you just have to tap on request. And after you do that, you will be redirected to this page where you're going to be asked to provide the name or the cash tag, or you can also add phone or email address. And then you just have to type in there the name, so to whoever you want to send the money. And the next one is just optional. You can put there for family or whatever. And then once you're done, you just have to tap on request once again. Double check everything before you confirm. And that's it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!